Oh, Jesus, Ibadike. I'll let you singing. Bobrisky behind the inspiration of this thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi. If this is your first time coming to my channel, you're welcome. So today's look is just this simple glam. I just got like new makeup recently and I decided to give it a try. So this is me just displaying what I got. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Give me the light, give me that push, give me the bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that blow my.
So I didn't get any face primer, so I'm just going to use my normal face primer to prime my face and start. So I'll be using the professional face primer. So now that my face is looking so white, it's looking so white, I'm going to be using this Nuban glow, they call it the glow, Nuban Beauty the glow liquid highlighter. I actually saw Jackie Aina posting about this, so yeah, I decided to give it a try. It's just like a normal liquid highlighter. This is how it looks like the places I would normally put my highlight, that is where I'll be applying this. I still have like some. I think you're supposed to go like a little bit. Me, I went all. This is how it looks like. I went so much. Oh, I didn't even show. This is how the Nuban Beauty highlighter looks like. It looks like this. So I'll be using this Nuban Beauty in my skin foundation. This is how the foundation looks like. It's actually small. I was expecting it to be a bit bigger, but I got the shade W9 because I didn't know which shade to go for, so I just got this one. Let me just start from the perimeters of my face first, since the foundation is a bit darker. For this foundation, a little goes a long way. So I like the foundation and I went like too much because I think like probably like a pump or a tube or a squeeze can be enough for your face. Like I went extra. This is how much I have left. Anyway, this is the swatch comparison. Let's just call it a swatch comparison. But anyway, this is how the shade look like. This is W9. Up next, we have the Zikel concealer. This is in the shade Honey. I don't know how fast it dries, so I'm just going to blend it out immediately because I know our hair story. It blended out nice actually. This is the one highlighted and this one is not yet highlighted, so it's a little bit bright, and yeah, I think it's now a match for like the foundation, if I say so myself. So I'll just blend, I'll just do the other side, highlight my head, everything. You just know how I highlight, so I'll just do that. So I didn't get any setting powder. I'll just be using my Sasha Buttercup powder in yellow banana. I think so, I'm not sure anymore. So I'm just going to set my highlighted areas. So it's no longer summer, so you don't need to leave your powder to stay longer. So I'm just going to brush it off immediately and also set my face as I do that. So now that that is out of the way, I'm going to do my eyes. And today's palette, I got the Lydia Stanley palette with Zaron Cosmetics. I'm going to remove the leather on it. Ew. This is how it looks like. Like, I love this her logo thing. It's so cute. Then it comes with a mirror, and these are the colors. Like, guys, take a look. Like, hello, what else do you need? I feel I'm overhyping it, but yeah, it deserves the hype. Like, this is how it looks like. I'm trying not to get a reflection. Okay, yeah, this is how they look like. I'm already liking this one. Like, it's glitter but like pigment at the same time. I don't know how to describe it, but the palette looks very good, even though I can see like, okay, it's not cracking. And it now has like butterflies. Like, the first time I knew Lydia Stanley was through like a takeover. I don't know why I'm ranting about her now, but anyway, I knew her through like takeovers on, I think, that Niger Best MUA or Melanin Beauties. If you've been doing makeup like since 2016, like when Snapchat used to be like a thing, yeah, that was when I knew her. So I know her because of, I know she loves all these butterfly things. I think she has done like a lot of looks with it. So yeah, butterflies are like imprinted on all of them. Let me see if I can get a better detail. Like, okay, have you seen all this? When I swatched it already, it was already very pigmented. So yeah, I believe it's gonna do a great job. I'm going to use my P. Louise base to prime my eyes because I want this eyeshadow to like pop very well so that you can really see the colors in it. So I'm going to use like my P. Louise base just for this look. I'm using this one. I'll go with that. Just tap that in. It's like this deep brown orange. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. And I'll take the lighter orange in the palette and just blend it out. So to deepen my outer corner, I think I'll use the black. It's called Risky. But Risky behind the inspiration of this thing. I just apply the black, blend it in, and blend out the edges. But this is called Precious. I hope it can stick. Oh, it is. So I'm just popping that on my lid. And this color, I just put it now. I didn't even put any like liquid on it to make it stay, and it's still. So this is what I have for my eyes. Yeah, it's a bit too dramatic, but yeah, we move. Anyway, I'll do my wing liner, fix my lashes, and I'll be back. So I'll be trying out this contour kit by Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright. I got the dark shade and I feel it's even like very dark for me because wow, this is dark, dark, dark. This is dark, dark, dark. So I'm not going to go ham on it. I'm just tapping a bit on it, tap off the excess and just. It also has like a blush on it, but I think it's going to be too dark for me. Let's try. It's actually not bad, but I would have gotten the medium because this comes in medium and dark and light. I don't know if there's another shade, but I saw like three different ones: light, medium, dark. I don't know if there's another one, but I got the dark. I'm pretty sure this is the dark. I think it's the darkest shade, if I say so myself, because that was what I saw on Watson. That is where I ordered it from. So yeah, I think it's okay. Just don't go ham on it. And I'll also be using the highlighter in it. This one. Since I didn't get any new highlighter, this can as well serve as my highlighter for today. So I'm just going to highlight my face. It's actually good. I like the highlighter. It's not that strong and it's just subtle. Like, It's giving you the glow without doing too much. Ooh, I just remembered I actually have a highlighter. I'm gonna use it even though I've already applied highlighter. This is from Gerald Cosmetics. Yeah, it's from Gerald Cosmetics, and this is the shade Dorothy. I always use Lucy. I think it's Lucy, and this one looks like this. So I'm just going to layer it on top since I forgot. So I just got a new setting spray from Gerald Cosmetics. I'm sure you guys are tired of me rambling about Gerald Cosmetics, but this is not a sponsored post, even though I'm affiliated with them. I don't know why I'm tearing up. And this foundation is good because I actually cried around here and it went down. I was able to fix it. So back to my rambling. I got this setting spray. This is the one in watermelon. I don't know if I've used it. I'm sure maybe I have something like that. But yeah, it's a new one, so I just launched it today. So why not? It smells like watermelon. I'm not even going to exaggerate. But anyway, since this is already completed, I'm going to move to my lips. I'm just going to wipe my gloss off, but still leave the lips a bit moisturized. But to line my lips, I'm using my normal pencil. Then I'll put my concealer, the lighter one, in the middle. To be able to control it, I'll use my blending brush. But I'll be using the Colourpop Plumping Lip Gloss. I will just apply that on my lips. So let me take care of my hair and I'll be back. So guys, this is the final look. The truth is that I can't hold myself from staring there because hello, hey, oh Jesus, people decay, can you see these can he who? I don't know what's going on today, but my eyes are very, very watery. Like I'm tearing up. But anyway, all the products I used today are good. Like none of them disappointed me. None gave me a difficult time. The one I was so excited to try was this palette, and yeah, like can you see the eye? Like this, just gonna get one finish. As for the foundation and concealer, I love the foundation. I told you my eyes are watery, so I was already tearing up, but you wouldn't even notice because I was able to fix it up compared to like some foundations that would have started cracking by now. But yeah, like everything is good, everything looks nice. The only thing I don't like was that contour kit by Makeup Revolution, and I don't like it not because the quality is not good. The quality is actually good, but I think I got not. I think I got a darker shade, so that is the only thing that I don't like about the contour palette. That should be a contour palette because it has a contour, it has a blush, and it has highlighter. But that is the only thing I did not enjoy like that. But it still worked because yeah, my cheeks are quite contoured, if I so say. Yeah. Anyway, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.